I am Maria WESTERBOS, founder and director of the Plastic Soup Foundation with an office in Amsterdam.
What brought you here to the Sustainable Cleaning Products Summit?
I was invited to tell something more about detergents and I guess the possibility that detergents contain microplastics.
And what were the key points of your presentation?
The key points of my presentation were the polluting of this earth by microfibers and microplastics amongst or as part of the big plastic soup that is threatening our planet.
Were there any other topics that you found interesting during the summit?
I was hit by the law of Murphy, so it took me an incredible. It was very difficult to get here and to be here in time, so I arrived half an hour before my presentation. I'm very sorry that I missed everything.
Do you think that events such as this one are important?
Events as this one, yes, sure they are important because you always need the gathering of talking together, exchanging information and see how you can improve or which way you should take for the future.
All right, thank you very much.
My pleasure.